Good morning, students. This is Latika Sharma. I am teaching digital marketing in NC Web Center, Bharati College. This subject is for semester 6th, final year, and it is a skill enhancement subject, SEC. And the code for this subject, as already shown on the screen, you can see very well. It is 2926001002. I would like to introduce you guys to this subject. See, firstly, I would like to tell you the mark structure, or you can say how the credits are allotted for this subject. So, as you can see, there are 2 credits which are being allotted for this subject. That does mean that this digital marketing carries 80 marks overall. And now, the another point that you can very well see is that lecture and tutorial marks credits are zero here, and only practical is being allotted as 2 credits there. So that does mean that there will be no external exam for digital marketing. So it is the independent choice of the teacher that how practical mark segregation is being done by him or her. Could be viva or could be many practical activities allotted to the students. So you will be solely evaluated on based on your practical performance by the teacher itself, right? This is the segregation I was telling you about. There is another video of digital marketing made by Sony ma'am. She has made a detailed video about the description, unit-wide description of digital marketing, but I would like to tell you a bit of a brief on all the units itself. Like, as I told you, digital marketing is uh, is in trend nowadays, and everybody is a digital customer nowadays. How it is? Because every single person who is using gadgets, mobile laptops, they are considered as digital consumer, whether you are purchasing any product or not, but you are accessing the free information, free data which is available on the net, so also you are a digital customer. So Unit 1 in digital marketing talks about channels of digital marketing and models which are being introduced by Philip Kotler, who's known as the father of marketing. I hope everybody is aware of this. And the models which I'm talking about is 5A model of digital marketing plus Ozone O3 model of digital marketing. Both models are very much, you can say, interrelated to each other. And the unit 2 we are talking about here is content marketing plus email strategy, various email strategy for digital marketing. What is content marketing? Digital marketing talks about how you create the content which make your product or service approachable to attract your customers, your digital consumers we are talking about. So there are many content developers also which are a part of digital marketing strategy, right? And email strategy is basically how personalized email are being sent to customers, to specifically entailing to their personal taste and personal information also, like their name is being used just to attract their attention in the email itself, right? So unit 3 talks about social media strategies of digital marketing. Social media is a name which is being which I think every single, even a small kid to a aged person, know what is social media nowadays. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, any platform which is used for public interaction is social media. So I think everybody is using social media nowadays. But what is surprising here is that you will be shocked how this social media is being used, how is being used by digital marketers to attract you, or you can say digital customers, and induce them to buy their product or enhance their sales. The fourth one is various SEO strategy used by digital marketing. What is SEO? Which is search engine optimization. Search engine optimizations is that whenever you search something on the Google, there are links which appear on the search page. Okay? Sorry. So when link 1, link 2, link 3, there's a sequence to it. So it is but obvious whenever those links or apps or sorry websites appear on the page, we click on one first link first, then second, then third. The preference is first link. So how to be on the top of the chart of that search page is what is search engine optimization. It tells you about the matrix behind it, the matrix behind SEO. हमें सबसे टॉप पे SEO में कैसे रहना है, सर्च पेज पे सबसे टॉप पे कैसे आना है, how to be there. So that is what is SEO talks about. So this is the brief of 4 unit of digital marketing. I am sure that I think till now you have at least a brief knowledge about what digital marketing is all about and how interesting that subject can be for people who are actually thinking to make their career in digital marketing, because that is what is in trend nowadays, and there are many people outside who are taking different digital marketing course and they're paying a heavy amount for this. So it is such a great opportunity for you all to have an enlightenment about this subject at your graduate level also. So you should be very much clear about your career paths also. You can be a very good digital marketer after knowing the enlisted units content. So that is all from my side. Please check for a video of Suni ma'am itself, which talks about a detailed version of every unit of digital marketing. Thank you.